After installing a new screen protector and your Google Pixel 7 touch screen is no longer as responsive as it once was, then there's something you need to enable to fix the touch sensitivity problem. In this video, we will show you how to increase the touch sensitivity of your Pixel 7 to fix screen performance issues you might have. But before anything else, make sure to like and share our videos so that we can help other users as well. Now going back to our topic, here's what you should do. Hold down the Quick Settings panel and then tap the gear icon at the bottom of the screen. Doing so will open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down a bit to find Display, and once found, tap on it. This will show you the options that allow you to change some settings for your phone's screen. Scroll all the way down to find the option Increase Touch Sensitivity, and once found, tap the switch next to it to enable it. And just like that, whatever problems you have with your phone's touch screen will be resolved. It will improve the responsiveness of the screen so that it will work properly even if you're wearing gloves. We hope that this guide can help you. You may subscribe to our channel or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.